nice seeing you here. Today I am on a low tide beach walk, and I thought I'd bring my camera along since it's been forever and just see what I can find. Yeah, there's usually some good stuff, so let's go. On these beaches here, there's actually little pieces of glass that come in and out with the tide and get rubbed and almost sanded smooth. And if they're not quite ready yet, then I always throw them back and then hopefully find them later. Alright, this is where it gets interesting, where all these big rocks are. There's always things hiding out underneath them until the tide comes back in. There should be some starfish and some other like boogery, stretchy looking things that I have no idea what they're called, but interesting to look at. So there hasn't been a whole lot to actually look at. Usually there's a lot more starfish and different things. I'm gonna check closer to the water as I go back. Check out this view. You got turtleback. That was my front yard before. Looking out my front window at my other place. And over here you have Canada. Maybe around that bend a little bit, but maybe this is all Canada. I love looking at that mountain. So this is my front yard, and I'm very grateful for this spot. Alright, here we go. I found a good starfish. The other two have been under rocks, so it's been a little bit harder to get. I think I got one here. Check this out. Alright, cool beach walk, got to see a few cool things. Doesn't seem to be as active as it has been in the past. There's usually a lot more. But got to see some cool starfish and little snot-like things. I really need to learn the names of these things, but overall, good time. I'll probably come back out again because there's always something different to see. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Later.